So far, we've understood the purpose of building applications in AppNest, which begs the question, how to build an app? That's where a powerful tool called the SSDK CLI comes in. SSDK, SurveySparrow Software Development Kit, helps initialize your application, offers various features that speed up the development process and abstract certain time-consuming tasks from developers. This ensures that developers need not worry about building basic functionalities like third-party OAuth, installation parameters, and other vital techniques from scratch. Hence, it enables them to focus just on the application logic. Please refer to the SSDK documentation to get started. Now that we have covered the backend portion of building application, let's proceed with structuring the UI. Any app requires an interactive UI to enhance the user experience, right? That's where a highly customizable library with pre-built components called Twigs works like a charm. Twigs is a React component library that's specifically designed for the AppNest applications. It aims to simplify the UI development process with pre-built components that are highly customizable. It helps you build engaging UI with just a few lines of code. Please refer to the Twigs documentation for more information on how to utilize Twigs to the fullest. Excited to get started already? We have something special to assist you, a step-by-step guide in the form of dedicated tutorials to explore building apps. Now, let's dive into the installation of SSDK CLI.